Today we are in Mount Pleasant for a trail to table adventure. And what that is we pair an outdoor adventure with a local place to eat. And in this one, I think we've got a pretty good pairing. We're hiking Bundy Hill and we're pairing that with Woodshop Social, a place that I've been to before and I cannot wait to try one of their burgers. So this is why we're here today. We want to get to Bundy Hill Summit. I really appreciate that it is a loop trail to be able to do the full loop and also end up at the top going either direction. Ooh, that's a big tree. I am very much enjoying this time of the year hike. I mean, I think we nailed it as far as spring goes. Like from now until everything is fully in color, this is just gorgeous. I absolutely love the way it looks out here right now. It looks kind of like a painting, like an impressionist painting is what it looks like. Everything is just budded so small. It's almost like it's like blurry going into the background. It's really cool looking. I actually took my glasses off to see if I felt that earlier. I didn't even say anything to you. It was almost like, was there a haze? But I think it was just the way everything is blooming right now. Exactly. We're going to the top of Bundy Hill in a different season. We've been here for 3 out of the 4 seasons starting now. So as we walk, I'm going to point out a few different spots and I'm going to show what it looks like in each of these seasons. That's what I love so much about hiking throughout Michigan is that just about every 90 days, you get a complete color palette reset. And right now, this is one of my favorite times to hike because the humidity is low. I can see so far into the woods. Knowing what this looks like in the different seasons adds to what I enjoy about it. If I find a spot where I know I have some footage from before, you're just gonna see it pop up so that we can get a bunch of side-by-sides as we go. We stick on this one. Okay. That puts us that direction. Isn't it awesome how everything just completely changes when you just see it at a different time of the year? And I know that this bench right here and the triangulation station that Andy's looking at right now, I know we have photos and videos from that from our different seasons. And now that we're here, that's officially 3 seasons that we've been to the top of Bundy Hill. Only one more to go, and that's got to be in the fall. Our trail to table pairing leads us to Woodshop Social, and just like our hike, we've visited here 3 times. Once for an appetizer, once for this insane pot pie, and today for a proper burger unboxing. Let's do that now. This is the Oklahoma burger from Woodshop Social in Mount Pleasant. Let's pop the hood. 2 smashed Michigan beef patties, grilled onions, awesome sauce, American cheese, dill pickles, and an Ignite brioche bun. When a kitchen really knows what's up, I struggle between picking my favorite item on the menu or trying something new because I know it's going to be great. And so far, everything I've had at Woodshop Social has been delightful. That's a real smash. It's got the crispiness on the edges. I was told I had to get the ranch with my fries, which usually I'm a ketchup guy with, but when someone tells you to do something, you go for it.